welcome back to Creations by Kim, and we're going to first off do a comparison because I'm kind of running out of the apple barrel, but I also have some Master's Touch. So the apple barrel is just a plain white and the Master's Touch is titanium white, and since I'm running out of this, we'll just kind of see how they compare. And I'm going to be doing a marble look with some silver lines in it and some black lines in it. This one is folk art silver, and it's got some glittery in it, and then this is just plain black from apple barrel. And I have plenty of these, so the only comparison will be with on the brands will be with the white. And since I have enough to do a full canvas, another canvas will be the Master's Touch, and then one may just be a mix, depending on how much of the apple barrel I have. Anyway, I figured we got 3 canvases. I've already treated them with gesso, and I'm trying to clean up my backs a little bit. I sprayed the canvas with some water, but I've got the edges. We'll see if I can make it a little cleaner. All of them are done. And I mixed my paint. My paints are mixed with Floetrol. About 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint and everything. That kind of gets them to the right consistency that I like. I don't know if you can see that on there. It's kind of really runny. So anyway, all right, well, let's get started and see how this goes. Alright, so this one, the paint one, actually, that turned out to be the Master's Touch. I had this a little thin, although the color is more dense. This one did have the slight off-white look, where the apple barrel had the more solid white, bolder white look. But it was so thin, it's not letting me move because I've already let too much run off of my canvas. I want to move that around a little bit more, but it's just a little thin on the paint. And it's running everything else off trying to move that one area. I do like how they turned out. Trying to tilt that, see if it'll move any at all. It's getting a little bit of curvature in it. Finally. Alright, I think we're going to stop there. We do have a little bit of cells popping up. I don't know if you can see that beyond the glare there. Well, but can't get it off. Close up. So, alright, well, we'll let them dry and I'll see if I can't get a still shot of what they look like later. Alright, well, thanks for joining me for Creations by Kim. I hope this was helpful on the differences between Master's Touch and Apple Barrel, and how this, I'm not sure if it's quite a marbly look or what's going on here, but anyway, there you go, and hope that was helpful and enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts of what you'd like for me to do in the future, go ahead and hit me up in the comments and give me some free feedback on what you want to see. And also let me know how you liked this, how it turned out. And be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I guess we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye. This one, you can look, it's kind of got a shine to the white. And then if you notice when I did this one, to the right was the same one as this one, which was the Master's Touch. And you can see the shine there. Here the shine is, let's get it by being light. You can see different textures, but that shiny is the Master's Touch white, and then the dull is the Apple Barrel white. But I like all the different textures. The Apple Barrel also looks like it's a little thicker, and so it kind of does some raised texture. I don't know if you can see it there. And the silver, and then you can't really see it, but the silver it does have a nice glittery effect. There you can go, you can kind of see that really well. So, and this one is the one with all apple barrel paint. Let's see, and it's just, there's not really much shine to it anywhere, other than the glitter lines there. You can see that there. But, there you go.